Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to a device. First, identify the type of connection your device uses, such as USB, HDMI, or Bluetooth. Always consult your device's user manual for specific instructions, as each device can have unique requirements. Before you begin, make sure all cables and ports are clean and free from any obstructions or damage. This simple check can prevent many common connection issues and ensure a smooth setup process. For wired connections, it's crucial to power off both devices before you plug anything in. This prevents potential electrical damage. Carefully insert the appropriate cable, like a USB or HDMI, into its designated port on each device, ensuring a snug fit. Once connected, power on your devices. Typically, you'll turn on the source device first, then the receiving device or peripheral to establish a proper connection. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on connecting devices helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, keeping your space tidy can also help keep your devices clean and functioning well. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. When connecting wirelessly, such as with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, ensure both devices have their wireless capabilities enabled. For a peripheral, you'll usually need to put it into a pairing or discovery mode, which might be shown by a blinking indicator light. Then, on your host device, search for and select the peripheral from the list of available connections. Confirm any pairing codes if prompted, and you should be good to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.